Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Higher for November 2021. So I'm going through question 17 today. Question 17 reads as follows. On the grid, show by shading the region that satisfies all these inequalities. So that is 2y plus 4 is less than x, x is less than 3, y is less than 6 minus 3x. Label the region R. So first of all, I need to make these into equations. So I will replace the inequality by an equal sign. And I need them in the form y equals mx plus c. And 2y plus 4 isn't. So that will rearrange to give me y equals x minus 4 over 2. So first of all, I can draw x equals 3. But because the inequality is x less than 3, so it will be anything to the left side of that. And then I would draw y equals 6 minus 3x, which represents the inequality y is less than 6 minus 3x. So that would be, again, anything on the left side of the line. And then I would draw y equals x minus 4 over 2. And that would represent the inequality 2y plus 4 is less than x. So it would be on this side, the bottom. So I will show that region, and that region will be called R, and that is the answer. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more.